So today we are going to look at another keyword, SQL keyword, which is delete. I think we've looked at delete in a previous video. We looked at it a little in terms of removing a database from existence. So, but today I want us to look at it in another dimension. Now, when we say delete, we are talking about removing a record or rows from a table. So that is what we are going to look at today. So I want you to stay tuned to the end of this video. So I'm going to show you the difference between delete and drop. I'm going to just tell you because a lot of people get confused with delete, drop, and delete. So I will get down to that area. So let us proceed and go back to the practical. So we are back to the practicals right now. So we have stuff like this. Um, we are going to let's look at this database. You can use any database of your choice. I think I've put one in the description box below. So you can download that database if you don't have it. We'll watch it my previous video. You see it there. And I'm going to first of all, we said you have to, of course, this one we created a database there, but let me remove it and use just use world. So you can use the keyword use world so that you can select, you can run it to select this one, and you have a table called countries. So what we are going to do, let's look at what is in that country first. So select start from country. So let's take a view and concerning what is in the the table. So we have a lot of countries found in that table. So you see up to 17. Now what we're going to do is that we shall remove, let me see number, let me just say number 2, which is Ghana. I'm going to remove it from there. I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to use the keyword delete. I'll say delete from which table. We are talking about country. So if you don't want to type it, you can just, okay, it's already popping up here. So if you want, you can just select it here if you don't want to type it. Delete from country, where you have to put a condition, where serial number. So let me just take serial number. So just instead of typing it, because of it's not a regular text like that, so you can just double click it. Where serial number equals to what? 2. So I'm going to remove number 2. You can put it in quotes, fine, it still work, or not in quotes. So let me end with semicolon. So if I run it, it's going to remove number 2 from the table. So I run it. You see, it's not showing anything now. What I will do is that I just executed the delete statement. So let me go back to line 2 so that I will showcase what is available. Select is used to showcase what is available or to retrieve records. So I'll click it right now. So I'll run line 2. So when I run line 2, you can no longer see number 2 here. You can also delete. Let me do another delete. You can also delete. Let me use this one. So you can also delete group of rows. Delete from countries where serial number. So let me select some. Where serial number between. You can use the keyword between. Let's delete between 1 and 5. So I'm going to delete up to number 5. That is the meaning. So you see now between. So you can delete range of records. So I run it here now. So if I run it, so I'll select what is to check what is available there. So if I check it right now, you see number 1 to 5 is not longer available again. So that is how to delete and delete groups of records. Now the next thing I'm going to show you, I told you I'm going to show you the difference between delete and drop. Drop is streamlined to removing a database. It's removing a database or a table. You want to remove it from existence. You understand? So you can use drop for database and for table. Take note of that. Database and table. Table is inside a database, of course, while your record is found inside a table. So if you want to delete, you use it for record. You understand? So that is the difference. So I'm just going to execute it and see. Please, I want to still preserve this previous data. So let me remove this system now. This system is another database. Let me see if I want to remove it from existence, or it has a table inside. I can also just show you a table. There are several tables inside. You have this table called system config. I can remove it if I want to remove it, but let me leave it. I think it's like it's connected to system. So let me show this one, hotel management system. You have bookings there as a table, catch like that. So I'm going to delete the hotel management system. I will delete the bookings as a table. Let me first of all use hotel management system. Hotel management system. So I want to now select, because we are working with world database, so I want to select another database now. So I want to just use it, then I want to delete it. So I click this one now. Oh, sorry, I've selected it now, so you can see it's been highlighted. I've been selected now, so I can decide to drop the bookings. I can say drop table. I want to drop table first before I'll drop the entire database. Drop table bookings. Okay, so I'll semicolon. So if you check now, you see bookings has disappeared. Booking has disappeared. So let me drop the entire database. Drop database hotel management system. Yeah. So if I run it now, it's going to see that the entire, it's going to delete that stuff. It's gone now. Hotel management system is gone, so it's no longer taken. So you can see how I deleted a table from existence, which is the use of drop. Then also drop or delete a database. Then I went further to delete a record or groups of record also. So that is the short explanation I have for you practically. So please try your hands on these things, and let me get the feedback from you on how you have been able to follow up with my lectures. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class.